What's your name?
My name is Batman.
Put your hands on the table, Batman. Yeah, put your hands on the table if I see. Okay. Batman, how old are you?
I'm 9 years old.
9?
Yes.
Okay. How are you today?
I'm happy.
Good job. Are you hungry?
No,
I'm not.
I'm not.
What would you like?
I like
Hamburger. But you have to speak taller. Speak loudly. I like.
hamburger.
Yes, hamburger because Batman is very strong. You have to speak taller, okay, loudly. Okay? Alright, are you ready?
Yes.
We will start our speaking test now. So be ready
Yes.
and let's start. Okay, Batman. Which place in your house is this? Is this a kitchen?
Is
Is this a kitchen? No?
no.
It's what place is this? Is this a bedroom?
Living.
Yes, louder. It's a
It's the living room.
yes, living room. Okay, what do you see in the living room?
It's a chair.
Where is the chair?
The chair is behind
Behind
the door.
behind the door or in front of the door? The chair is
The chair is
behind. Are you sure? Behind? This is the door and this is the chair. Where is the chair?
the chair is in front of a door.
Yes, perfect. Here. What is this?
The window.
Where is the window?
The window is
The window is between
between the
pitch
picture
and the.
and lamp.
Okay. What are these? They are
They are the car.
cars. Okay, what are the colors? Can you tell me the color?
The car is blue and red.
Great. Okay. Look at the boy and the girl. Where are they? Where are they? They are sitting
They are
sitting on
sitting on the sofa.
yeah, they're sitting on the sofa. What are they doing here? They are
They are
well,
way
what are they doing? Are they jumping? No. What are they doing? Are they sleeping? No. What are they doing?
they are
They are playing
playing the child.
playing toys. Good. Where is the table?
The table is
In front.
in front of the sofa.
Okay, what is this? What is this? It's a
Is
rug. Rug. Where is the rug?
the rug is
Behind. Look.
between
Baby.
the baby and
The
chair.
chair. Okay. Here. Tell me this. What's this?
The elephant
Okay, what is it?
is rubber.
Rubber. What is it?
Basketball
Basketball. What is
is
it?
glass.
Glasses.
Is
They are grapes. Grapes.
grapes.
Next. What is it?
Is a pen.
Next. What is it?
Is a balloon.
Next.
Is a stereo.
Stereo or radio?
Radio.
Radio. Give me, choose 4. What do you like? Give me 4. 4. Yeah, give me 4. Come on, faster, Nathan. Okay, 1. Next. Faster. 2. Next. 3. Next. 4. Okay, here we go. Place the rubber on the chair. Place the rubber on the chair. On the chair. Place the rubber on the chair. Good. Here on the chair. Place the radio under the baby. Place place the egg between the television and between the picture and the lamp. Picture and the lamp. Between the picture and the lamp. Okay, last one. Okay, picture and the lamp. Okay, put the balloon next to the television. Put the balloon next to the television. Television or TV. Next, 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 next. Where is next? Next to the television or TV. Okay, here, next. Oh, here is not next. Here is next, okay? Now, tell it to me, the balloon is